Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. As you guys can see by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Shein clothing haul. So this package came in 2 different orders. I opened the first one already because I wanted to look at the stuff. But then I was like, ding, I could just do a haul. Wait till the second box gets here. So the second box is here. You guys are gonna see a picture on this side of what the outfit looks like, or a video I should say, of what the outfit looks like on, instead of me just showing it to you. And in the description, there'll be the links for all the clothes. So yeah, I got the box open. It's kind of like Christmas to me, you know? I just pick out cute stuff that I think would look good. Bad bitch, you know? All right. So, I was so thirsty. I haven't even worn this hat. I've had it for like a week, you know? But it's so cute. It's from here too. I saw that it was like, oh, I gotta open that one. I don't know what that one is. I should've just waited, but it's cool, you know? Real fall-y. Winter everything that I take out, I'm gonna just put it on that side so I can know that I already did it. A beret, a red one. I have a black one. I always wanted a red one, so I was like, need a red one, gotta get the red one. So I got the red one, and I don't have anything to match this, but I soon will. So, and I saw this, and I thought this was really cute. I gotta get up on a decent flip. It's so cute. You guys, it's cute. Had to get up on my hats. I got this. This is so cute. I'm actually gonna wear this with one of the dresses that I got from here, and then I got these really cute shoes from Public Desire. I'll show them to you guys when I do a Public Desire haul. I got some really cute yellow earrings. These are so cute. I'm gonna wear these too with something that I got from there. You guys are gonna see it, but these is cute, baby. These is cute. I like these. I keep forgetting to stay on this side of the screen because I'm gonna be showing it on that side of the screen. So work with me. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, it's got a zipper. It's got a zipper. We love a zipper instead of like the snaps. And it has an extra strap. Oh, this is cute. It's got a pocket on the inside of it. I think just one pocket. Yeah, there's just one pocket on the inside. But this is so cute. I love it. Yeah, I like that. Like that. Hey. Okay, next. Oh, okay, yeah. So back to the yellow earrings that I was talking about. You guys, I'm not going in an order. I'm just picking stuff up and going. That's how I do it. Just pick it up and go. Yeah, so this is see-through, but if you wear like a black bra up under it, I mean, I already knew that it was like that. It's really cute though. Or like a black tank top or something up under it. Yeah, okay. Okay, I like the color. I don't know, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more sturdy, I guess. Well, it's not that bad. It's like a felty, like I don't really know what kind of material to explain this as, but I do like the size of it. You can like really fit you can probably fit a laptop in here. Where's my laptop at? I'm not gonna see. So I have my laptop and I just want to see if it's gonna fit. Yeah, school bag. Okay, you can either do a school bag or just wear it like a regular purse, but it fits a laptop in it. Yes. Yes. These are so cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. They ain't the same color. This is lighter than this. If it ain't one thing, it's another. I don't know about that. Stuff's gonna be off color like this, unless it's like this. Platform boots. These are cute. Damn, quick little eye, quick little eye, humpback eye. It's supposed to stop like right where the boobs is. It's stretchy. This is cute. You wear this like under like a long sweater or something with like some high-waisted jeans. Real cute, real cute, real cute. So that concludes the Shein haul. But don't forget to click that like and that subscribe button down there. See you later.